Most UA business owners choose the wrong accounting software for one simple reason. They focus only on price. But here's the truth no one tells you. The cheapest software can cost you far more later through tax mistakes, bad reporting, and hours of manual work. And in 2026, with UAE corporate tax rules becoming more important, choosing the right accounting system matters more than ever. In this video, I'll compare QuickBooks, Xero, and Zoho books for UAE businesses. You'll learn which one is best for freelancers, e-commerce stores, agencies, and growing companies. And stick around because one of these platforms is surprisingly bad for certain business types. Let's start with QuickBooks. This is probably the most recognized accounting software globally. It's popular because it's beginner-friendly and easy to set up. If you're a small business owner with limited accounting knowledge, QuickBooks feels simple from day one. John runs a digital marketing agency in Dubai and uses QuickBooks because invoicing and expense tracking are fast and clean. But here's the problem. QuickBooks can become expensive as your business grows. Extra users, advanced reports, and integrations often require higher plans. Some UA founders also feel the customization is limited compared to competitors. Now here's where it gets interesting. Xero is often the favorite choice for accountants and international businesses. Why? Automation. Xero has strong bank integrations, cleaner financial reporting, and better multi-currency support for global businesses. If you work with overseas clients or suppliers, this becomes a huge advantage. Jake from the UK moved his e-commerce business to the UAE and switched from QuickBooks to Xero because managing multiple currencies became easier. But this is where most people fail. Xero's interface can feel confusing for complete beginners. It's powerful, but it has a learning curve. In a minute, I'll show you the best low-cost option for startups and freelancers. That's Zoho Books. In 2026, Zoho is becoming extremely popular in the UAE because it's affordable and packed with features. It supports VAT, invoicing, inventory, automation, and integrates well with other Zoho apps. Alex started with Zoho because his startup needed a cheaper option without sacrificing core features. But there's one catch. Some businesses eventually outgrow Zoho if they need advanced accounting workflows or deeper third-party integrations. It's excellent for startups, but large businesses may prefer Xero or enterprise systems later. So which one should you choose? If you want simplicity and ease of use, QuickBooks is strong. If you run an international or scaling business, Xero is usually better. And if you want the best value for money, especially as a freelancer or small startup, Zoho Books is hard to beat in 2026. The important thing is this. Don't wait until tax season to organize your accounting. Set up proper software from day one, and your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment with which accounting software you currently use. I'll see you in the next one.